As day breaks over Pakistan's Hindu Kush range and spring approaches, some of these mountains' most famous residents move across this landscape in numbers. The Kashmir Markhor. The mating season now over, males will remain at higher elevations for the rest of the year. Down in the valley, as females and their young graze on spring's budding greens, another more solitary inhabitant must also begin its hunt for food. A Himalayan lynx. Excellent eyesight, a keen ear, and a deadly capacity for stealth makes the lynx a formidable hunter. Highly elusive in its environment, the lynx is rarely ever seen by humans. These are the first images of a lynx hunting ever filmed in Pakistan. Having eaten its fill, and conscious of the camera team's gaze, the lynx retreats to the cliffs above the kill. Suspecting the lynx will return overnight, the team moves in to set up camera traps at the site of the kill.
कौन का निशाना हो गया? कौन का निशाना?
camera trap in. Second cam on. Okay, चलो चलते हैं फिर.
चलें जी.
As an apex predator, the lynx plays an invaluable role in maintaining the balance and health of this complex ecosystem. Without the lynx, the circle of life here would be irreparably disrupted. Ensuring this majestic creature always has a home here is now up to us.